Hey guys, we received this bird netting for garden, 13 feet by 33 feet for test and try. This is the garden netting post barrier for to protect your fruit or the plant trees. So this is actually a net that you can put around your plant or the tree, and then it will goes and then try to stop the birds coming in because the birds will get stuck in this net and they cannot reach to the fruit. Also, to your different style, like it's a woven mesh that covers with the 100 pieces cable ties, and that can keep your cicada, squirrels, deers, and everything out of the sight. So here you can see the net and the mesh with the small meshy thing, and then equally like they have maintained this that you can put around, and then ties with this small ties. So it's a nice quality. I see like I try to stretch and just try to put. I just don't want to open the whole thing. But this will actually comes in a small netty stuff and then ties will help to secure it there.